Ghana for me din at the Abna Ghana. Program ya will share ya to the Abna Ghana with you. Yane will celebrate it for dofu e to chick nkomo. Me no ebe ko call baby bebre ne yakasa efa will celebrate it hon. Why and will celebrate it? Why and I will don't know. Or your musician or your actress or your actor or your radio presenter and other politician. Train baby I will be able to contact here. Abna Ghana na wa chile me obro no na me ba ho no ba to chick nkomo fe. Ene ya ba e wo Labadi beach ene Labadi phone na chick nkomo. No mo so be ka celebrity. A omo don actual di ntia odono e di ntia onno no. Na ori a wa ya ade ba ko bi e wo celebrate ne ho ma na ni je ne ho. Enko baby ya hye Abna Ghana with you. Other you want to say,
Me patrol me hoye pa.
your friend me Abna Ghana, you feel say.
Me di ama.
Now, celebrity Ben Fan of Henassim,
De me pa na sempa Yvonne Nelson.
Yvonne Nelson. Now, Usha didn't tell Ope Yvonne Asim.
Me pa na sem wo ni bibia sometimes nkrofo say o ye too no say but ewiase ye wo di obi a pa na sem me so no ono na me hu na me feeling no.
Ono na hu na o feel gwenze. Na edi ade na wo Yvonne ho a obetimi aye na Yvonne hwe program ya wo hu say e yampa the fun ene wo.
Me pa ne dressing, me pa how kasa. Me pa ni bibia me pa na sem.
Enti obetimi aye ne ne ye bi wo kasa ma me ahwe.
Oh, for now there.
For now they
No, my.
Yeah, that's the say when you are Jenny Abna Ghana with you
Because
akasa.
sure, I am a fan is Facebook and Instagram.
Oh, that's fine.
Me pen na sempa.
That is how you are the fan akasa.
Me follow no baby auntie.
Yeah, say mpacho bisa enyo mad for baby bia. We are say fan nyina.
Be say enjuma my sister Cynthia, omo ye Cynthia me no, ye of Flagstaff House.
Okay.
Ene madofu na me nuanum obi bia ohwe bia.
Yeah, Guswa e Labadi Beach, Abna Ghana with you, and I will Guswa Oceano. My sweetheart Richard and I Kasa ye Labadi Beach. Na you Gusu at your chinko, na why not celebrate the program na any you Gusuno. Sweetheart, net say.
Me a big shutter.
You will pick shutter.
Yeah.
I didn't tell pick shutter. I said.
Oh, over there, me from Italy.
Okay.
I came for a visit, but since I didn't our industry, I really like it a lot.
Okay, so now open shutter, so you really like shutter a lot. Now, a dear Ben, what shutter who has a see as a woyana, shutter wally her program, your bones a young pan fun and all.
Okay, I already comment on his, how we call it, comment on his program anytime.
Anytime.
It's like Chata is a young guy who is coming out and he's coaching the young guys to come what they want to become. You understand? It's from the street and he's coming out to push the guys.
So it's all about the street, it's all about pushing the guys, shutter. Oh. Big ups to you, but what about to shutter on back or amami?
Like the Kakai.
So what's on the Kakai? Is Kakai?
Listen, all my guys over there in Italy, when we heard that Kakai, it's like it's coming.
Like you coming, Italy guys, we're coming for you. It's a cabitre here. So Kakai.
No, I can't, but for the other time. It's like, but let's say, I forgot the other one.
You forgot that? Okay.
Yeah.
And
I really like Shatta a lot.
Okay, you really like Shatta a lot. So, Richie, big ups to people that you really want to say shout outs to.
Shout out to Ralph, Samini, King Kuros, who is coming out with Edem very soon. I mean, 2 weeks time. Watch out with that guy. He's my guy.
Okay.
King Kuros.
Okay, shout outs to Samini, shout outs to Adam and all the big guys out there. Thank you, Richard. Thank you. It's nice having time with you. Thank you. Abna Ghana with you, so and I want and then the Brony fit up some ketwa program the air cost of a fair when it was celebrating. Menya Jessica and then better chin come on. I am one say foreigner what you have celebrity or Ghana. Jessica, how are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
Who is a celebrity? Which celebrity do you love?
What?
Which celebrity do you love in Ghana?
I like Sarkodie, Stoneboy, and Miss Wee.
Sarkodie, Stoneboy, and Miss V.
Yeah.
Why do you like them?
Well, Miss Wee is really cool. I like her style, and she can really sing. And I saw Stoneboy live, and Sarkodie is a good rapper.
Okay, so Can you say something about these three that makes you love them so much? Or you can sing a music that they sang?
Oh no, I can't sing. I just dance to the music.
But at least you should just say one word that Miss B, if Miss B is watching, Miss B will know you really like her.
Well, I like the song Natural.
Natural.
Girl,
I'm a
yes.
natural girl,
Yes.
yeah. Okay, now what about Stone Boy?
Um,
Yeah.
oh no, I don't know.
Okay, what about Sarkodie?
Sakura featuring the one who died.
The one? I'm lost.
Something with a, I don't know. I don't know.
Oh my god, I'm lost myself. Anyway, Jessica is lost just as me. Thank you so much. Can you say shout outs to some people you want to say hi to?
I don't know anyone. No, I know. I say hi to my family. Yeah, that's all.
Okay, thank you so much for being with. And you tini ben I don't open asim.
For that point, sir.
I didn't tell Paul for Rampon Sasim.
Okay, sir, now you need to be near artist, and it's an believe in I don't think I make penance.
And into our door for Rampon Sa. It's a dear dinner over here, so for you, Mr. Sia, for you who say I am Paudono.
Oh, okay, and I do penage answer me to me and to.
And to what you want on your Naka.
Okay, but me penage you the bonus. Legend, dear, me tear pan and say I'm a fan to Madumi, and I saw more bonnet you say, yet to me a share.
And the title, Ben, I know she was a back of there. Okay, for Rampon Sarah, who say I'm Pau, your real fan.
Ned you way a friend is although way, but I'm very few.
Other day, and you know I am Makayo. Other day,
although I see, I don't know about.
For Rampon, sweetheart, or dopa, you go swat Abnagana with you. Thank you now, over to Machia, Nipaka Koba, or Chiao.
Okay, person me chair madam who falling in any more minimum any Musua mobile and mobile friends, so I know the Ekasa and Musu maybe Savia.
Yes, so yeah, that was Silver Bracer, your friend, what buy in a program episode. You go swat Abnagana with you and Kobibia. Hi, how are you?
I'm good.
I'm with a pretty Amida. Is she not adorable? Oh, how are you?
I'm good.
Which celebrity do you adore or you like most?
Sarkodie.
Oh, Sarkodie is getting all the likes today. Why? Sark, what's happening? Why do you like Sarkodie?
I like him a lot. The way he sings, the way he dresses, and especially the way he always say money no be problem. I really love that.
Oh my God.
I love him to say money no be problem.
So can you give us
in that?
You believe in that?
Yeah.
Money not be problem.
Yeah.
Oh my God. You understand? Money talks bullshit words. Amida, can you sing one song or just give a rap a line of Sarkodie?
Obahima.
Just go. Come on. Sark is watching. Just go on.
Hello, Sark. I love your song, and I know most of your songs, but I don't know the reason why.
You have to sing it because I'm waiting for you. Continue for me.
Michelle Lashimi.
Oh,
Please, no.
let's go.
I'm okay.
Okay, let's go.
Okay. Michelle Lashimi. No, Gina.
Oh, Amida, thank you so much.
Okay.
Anybody you want to say hi or shout out to?
I want to say hi to my friends and my families. I want to tell them I love them so much.
Amida loves you. We're still on hanging out with Abna. Thank you so much. Still here, Gusua, mehu some sexy, cute gentlemen. Papa na, it's a say. Bibi aboko.
Adibia woko.
And here is the crowd.
Well, sure.
Okay, all of you are looking nice. Celebrity Ben open and
Celebrate today. I Ghana hire and ask.
Ghana has say. So your TV presenter, so your politician, so your actress, actor, anybody open us.
When I pay us.
Aside media mean kaho because it's a mina me and also can you for open us.
I think so. I like everybody. It depends on the mood and if I call no Adam, no mood. I'm young, kasa me home. if I want to listen to music, and I want to listen to Ghana Joma, Miss Betty, Sarkodia, Papi Kwajo. Oh, I'll be able to.
Sarkodia is getting more likes today. What's happening?
Yeah, Sarkodia, so we are this on there. No, yeah.
That's what was said. Kakra, what would you? Yeah, I catch you. It's a dear now. Sarkodia share program is here. Or be we say I am past a gangster. Epenasem. Any word and baby.
Oh yeah. He should just keep on doing what he does every day. On person on I think that people are listening to him and he's making an impact.
Okay, auntie, obet me on Sarkodia rap kaka cause say we.
Nah,
be pacho.
Sarkodia, we need around yeah. But definitely, I think that Nijoma manager home. Choices now. Yeah.
Choices now. Yeah. Okay, auntie, why now obet Chiano? Shout outs to why now person Chiano.
Yeah, big shout outs to my crew. Oma Moha, Nice Show Records. Kamika Lee, Killer, P Young, my artist. Should watch out for him. Also to my boy Rich Lion. Wankasa Unia man, Rich Lion. All right.
No, thank you so much, Gangsta. Thank you so much.
All right.
Still I go see Abna Ghana with you. So now me ne catch if be kasa also the killer. Killer meaning said you kuni power, so you kuni power. Meti every on one kasa no killer necessary.
Onyame adum Abna Ghana now so
Nyame adum ban sana me no be kasa no killer no kuni pa na sa wo de ne boko.
There be we killer kuni pa, we killer smooth, killer boko.
So into we killer smooth, right?
Smooth killer. Smooth killer.
Okay, celebrity Ben up and ask them. So you're musician, so you're politician, and now so you're actress and actor. Why now I don't know?
Oh, musician there, of course, Ken Sack. You know, he's a motivation and inspiration for almost every guy who's coming up. But they say almost all his pictures are on Facebook and media, you know. I share some of his pictures way back 6-7 years ago. And I'm sharing now. He's come a lot, he's done a lot to get to where he is now. So he's a motivation and inspiration. And actresses or girls must be Jocelyn Doma.
Okay.
Yeah.
Sarkodia, what is happening on the show? You've taken all the lights. Obiado, what they? Sark, Sheye. Mike, be careful. Sweetheart, obetimi aka ne enyum bako rap and say bibia o kan Sarkodia be ho say it's true say open asem.
I think I like his flow and Oluwa is involved. The way it was flowing, that song is one of my favorite songs. You're hearing Payday, even though he's seeing Payday, but then the way he was spitting on the song, tell where he comes from, where he is right now and everything. I think that's what one of his songs are.
Okay,
like
so can you give me just a line, like a lyrics of what you like?
Don't do that to me now.
You have to.
Don't do that to me now.
We waiting, no, you have to, killer.
Don't do that to me right now.
Just do it, just give it to us. Just kill it, you know.
Oh. I think you have to remove this part seriously.
Oh, just give it to me. I beg. Why are you looking around? Don't look at anybody.
No, you're putting me in a position right now that I wouldn't want.
Kill, I'm waiting.
I'd beg. We'll move on to the next question. I'll think on that and I'll come back.
No, you have to do it before I go to the next person. Seriously.
Oh.
Say it now.
Oh. We're from you.
Let's go with the rap.
Huh?
I know just about him, under him, that's all.
Okay, that's all. Okay. I'll stick with that.
Thank you so much. Anybody you want to say hi or shout out to?
Oh, you see, I'm in my crew here, Pion, Kem, Gangsta, Aki. Basically, those are the guys I want to shout out to. And anybody else who's been watching Abna Ghana, I send them all shout out. And I told them that I should keep watching you because, you got it on.
Oh, that's great. You know, all the way from BA, we keep doing what we like most. Get into another guy. Celebrity Ben, I will open us in bar.
Okay, celebrity generally, and I say.
Celebrity be our adore, so your politician,
okay.
So your TV presenter.
Me adore no idea yet. No, I'm for say them who is hard.
Okay.
Yeah, me adore your friend Pion.
Okay.
Yes, truly. Obe Blue and Toy upcoming artist.
Okay.
Into no more watch out.
Okay.
Shouts to Pion right now. I see you, Pion.
Thank you. But if you have the money, shout out.
Okay, shouts to my goons, shouts to my management. Right now I'm with my management.
Okay.
You can see doing something big and watch out for us too. Yeah, Nice Show Entertainment, Nice Show Records. We're in the building. That's all.
Okay. Your name, sweetheart?
I am Pion.
Pion. Are you serious?
Yeah, I'm Pion.
Okay, then give me one rap. One rap of your own song. Yes.
Cinderella now shall baby posse. Yes, Paul. Oh, what a gossip. What done for Josie? No, why you no posse? A kumaba, now you do so. I wonder.
Oh my God, this is beautiful. Like seriously, I need to do one rap with you. I was doing it with Gangsta, you know.
Oh, really? Oh, wow,
We used
yeah.
to sing a rap. Thank you so much. Thank you
Okay,
for being
thank you,
on the
thank you,
show.
thank you.
Akufo-Addo.
Okay, now we're going to the politics side. Why do you like Akufo-Addo?
I think he's a great guy, you know, like coupled with the fact that he lost the election petition, but he still kept his cool, all right, and he's a peaceful guy. So, and looking at the policies he's proposing, I think when he's giving the nod, he can do great things for Ghana. So that makes me like him.
Okay, so that's the reason why you like Akufo-Addo.
Sure.
Okay, are you an MPP or you just
Yeah,
like
of
him?
course,
You're an
yeah,
MPP.
of course.
Okay, so who do you want to say hi to? Shout out.
I'm saying hi to my guys, Gangsta Killer, Pyong, Dache Hene, Fetty, and myself, Chemical.
Yourself. What about your girlfriend or the family?
I don't have a girlfriend. I'm single.
Are you watching?
Yeah, I don't have a girlfriend.
Are you
I'm
watching
single.
me?
Yeah, I'm watching.
Okay, thank you so much. Any celebrity or open you like?
Ghana.
Celebrity? Ghana, yeah, Ghana.
I'll choose Shatawale.
And then Shatawale needs to move you or you choose Shatawale?
Yeah.
Why Shatawale?
Yeah, I don't know, but he's my fan.
Shatawale is your fan?
Yeah, I just love Shatawale.
And to bet me, mamma, one and no man, send me your can and attitude. We are Shatter shall be say yes, open as him.
I like everything about Shatawale. His song, everything.
Oh, you just did something like, yeah.
Yeah, everything
The
about
attitude,
Shatawale.
you know,
Yeah.
you want the attitude.
Everything about Shatawale.
That's beautiful. Anyone you want to say hi to, shout out?
Yeah, I want to share shout outs to my crew, RSG, Night Show, Silverstone, Seven Folks Boss, and everybody in the building, man.
Everybody.
Yeah, everybody I know.
Mommy?
Yeah, my mom, I love her. Everybody knows that.
Fiancé?
No, my ex. No,
I
don't go there.
I love those vibes.
I don't go there. No.
You don't go there?
No.
Why do you say your ex?
Okay. I'm single.
Mommy, mpacho na what they say?
Me di Teresa Latte.
Me mama so the Teresa.
Sa me so me di Teresa.
Enti obane me.
Pacho you.
Mama pacho edie na woton.
Me ton pan wan insefu.
Ensenfo.
Pacho.
Mpacho obetimi ma me bi ahwe.
Pacho.
Na ade na ya calabash ni na mo de serve.
Sensefu de calabash na ye di no.
Enti
ebopa. Embo. Pacho obetimi aso calabash.
Mami so ma. Okay.
What's that fine pa?
Hey, the what? Abibre ma Ghana for ye word ni ama what? Ensa na e de say. Na ni na man say e ya omunye bi gugutu omu. Engo kwa mama so ma moto hu ase. Ghana nko na de bia ansa fofo pe na ye ton wa.
Say ya nsa. Say ye nim first na Ghana nko na eja. Mpa nwani wo na ye nim se akwantu mu ye betumi ya ye nsa akọ. Nti ye behwe se ye betumi ya ye nsa akọ.
Fi se e de pa.
Mpa wan ye fine. Fine pa.
Member chop musician ben open as politician as
Akosi Japan. Na mpe na asem pa.
Open akosi Japan asem.
Ne nyum ye me de.
Eti bacha nyum ben na ohwa e ye de pa.
Odo be ma me sunko.
Bacha oto na he.
Odo be ma me sunko e. No dan. Ode ma fi wo. Odo be ba da be ni o. Me dai odo be ma me sunko e.
My that's super great.
Miss Madam Asepa.
Abna Ghana with you, so I'm enjoying my time.
I love Mr. Katie. He's my absolute favorite. His music is amazing.
Yeah. So what makes you like Bisa?
It's just his voice is very unique and it's very more like high life, and I love high life music. So for me, he's the best.
Okay, so can you give me one song of Bisa?
Odo Carpenter. He's my favorite. Odo Carpenter.
Are you a Ghanaian?
Yes, I'm a Ghanaian.
Okay, which tribe are you?
Ekwapim, Ekropong. My dad's Ekwapim, Ekropong, and my mom is Osu, from Osu.
From Osu.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you for being on the show.
Thank you.
Sweetheart.
Hi.
How are you?
I'm fine.
What's your name?
Lucy.
Lucy, okay. Which celebrity do you like?
I don't know their names. Benice, give me a name of somebody. Who do I like?
Sakode.
Sakade.
Do you like Sakode?
Yeah, I do. Yeah,
Are you
Sakade.
sure?
I am.
Okay.
But I just don't know their names.
You don't know the name?
Yeah.
Okay, so what do you like about Sakode?
He's very, what's the word? Not recent. Is it recent? Very upcoming and recent. Like he plays at all our weddings in London. What else would I say? He seems like a nice person.
Okay, so you like, anything from Sakode, any song?
Yes, any song.
Like you can remember?
It's Hallelujah.
No, that's
Castro. Oh, shame.
Yeah, I think it's Castro and Sakode, right?
Yeah, see, so yeah, Hallelujah.
Finally.
Oh, finally. Yeah, I'm not going to sing it. No.
Okay, anybody want to say hi to? Shout out.
Just shout out to everyone in London that knows me, Juicy Lucy.
Okay, thanks for being on the show.
Thank you for having me.
Oh, serious. Hi, how are you?
Hi, I'm good, thank you.
I'm Avina, and you?
I'm Saira.
Where are you from?
From Bangladesh.
So you came here on a visit or you stay in Ghana?
I came to visit.
Oh, so how is Ghana?
I really like it and I'm going to come back.
Like, seriously?
Yeah.
Okay, which musician do you like?
Saka.
Yeah.
Sakode, that's
Why
it.
Sakode? Dear Sak, you're taking all the likes. What's going on?
Yeah.
So which music do you like?
You know the one that goes na 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 na. That one. I don't know the words.
Which one?
The one that you said. What was it? The one we listened in the car. Finally, oh, na, 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 na. Go down. Yeah, that's the one.
Anybody want to say hi to? Shout out.
I'd like to say hello to all my friends and family in London. Woo!
Okay, nice having you on the show.
Thank you
so much. Adorable
Bye.
ladies. Sweetheart, come here.
Hello.
Oh, nice shades.
Thank you.
Beautiful hair.
Thank you.
I'm Abina, and you?
I'm Natalie. Oh, are you Abna?
Yeah,
I'm Abna.
Ah,
She's
so
everyone.
Abna's great.
Yeah. She's everyone.
Which celebrity do you like most?
Bisakadi. Only because of his song Mansa, and I'm third born girl. So I believe that song was made purposely for me.
Like, seriously? So can you sing more, like a bit of Mansa for me?
Mansa, Mansa.
Oh my God. Anybody want to say shout outs to?
All the people that know me back in London and all the people that I've met here. We've met quite a few nice people here, so all the people we met here. Thank you for making us stay enjoyable.
Oh, thank you so much for being on the show. Thank you so much. Thank you, everybody. I love you all. Bye-bye. I'm here with Jerry and Maureen. Jerry, how are you?
I'm fine.
Which artist do you like in Ghana?
Bisa KD.
Bisa KD. Bisa. Why do you like Bisa?
I like his style, I like his pattern, I like his music.
You like his music?
Yeah.
And you believe he can do better?
Yeah, sure. He's a very
Okay.
nice musician.
Okay, so which song can you sing for us from Bisa?
Mansa, but I can't sing it very well.
At least little for us.
I don't understand the language, so okay.
But
Mansa, that's what I can do.
okay, thank you so much, Maureen. How are you?
I'm fine.
You're looking good.
Thank you.
I thought that was your husband.
Oh, my
I
husband.
blast, you know. Which musician, actress, artist that you like in Ghana?
Oh, Efia.
Efia. What do you like about Efia?
Everything. I don't know. Her voice, everything. I just like her.
Just like everything about Efia. So, which music that inspires you, that makes you like Efia?
The one she sang during the Ghana Music Awards.
Which one?
Something. Although it's a Nigerian song, but she
she
did it in her own way.
Okay,
yeah.
so you like it, huh? Okay, anybody want to say shout outs to?
I want to say shout out to my friends here in Ghana, Sami Yuma and Kwame.
And what about Nigeria? Because it's going to be all over people to watch as well.
Okay, shout out to my family. I love you.
Okay,
Bye.
thank you so much for being on
You're
the show. Thank
welcome.
you. God bless you so much. We're still with Abna Ghana with you. We're still with Abna Ghana with you. I'm with Bomka.
Kakalika.
Kakalika. What's the name? Sweetheart, how are you?
I'm doing good.
Which artist do you like, adore in Ghana?
Shatawali.
Why?
Because he's my model.
He's a model.
Yeah, and he's my godfather.
He's your godfather?
Yeah.
Okay, so can you give us one of his songs that you like most?
Obodobidi.
Can you sing it for me? A little bit of that.
I'm not good in singing,
but
I like it.
Anything, anything that when Shatta is watching, Shatta will know you really like it.
Oh, okay. I can't never feel. She was never feel. Obodobidi.
Thank you so much. Anybody want to say hi? Shout outs to?
Yeah, shout outs to Abu Sonata. Shout outs to Dambaba. Shout outs to Mekarfi. Shout outs to Potomene. Shout outs to CYO. Shout outs to Tawfiq Kali. Shout outs to Aminu Tukudi. And shout outs to Tonda.
Shout outs to everybody.
Shout outs to everybody.
Shout outs to everybody. Thank you so much. Thank you. So we're hanging out with Abna Ghana. What's your name?
Nanama.
Nanama.
Yeah.
How are you?
I'm good.
Second hour of Patrick,
Yeah.
Do people tell you look like her?
Yeah.
Like seriously?
Yeah.
Have you met Priscilla before?
Yeah.
Okay.
I met her at Briefcase.
Okay.
At Jingano.
Okay, and she really know that you guys look alike? Like
no, I didn't talk to her.
Why?
Nothing. I just saw her passing.
Okay.
Yeah.
And you saw that was your twin sister?
Yeah.
Okay, which celebrity do you like in Ghana?
Jackie. Jackie Apia.
Why do you like Jackie Apia?
I just like her because she's pretty.
She's pretty?
Yeah.
And what again?
Majid. I like
Majid. So
yeah.
these two, what makes you like them? Is it their acting, is it their pretty, or the way they dress or something?
The way they act.
The way they act?
Yeah.
Okay. Anybody want to say shout outs to Hi or somebody?
Okay. Hi. Shout outs to my friends here, my new friends here. I met them today, yeah.
Oh, that's beautiful. Labadi Beach, always meeting people. And who again?
Shout outs to my mom.
Your mom. And who again?
Junior.
Okay, shout out to everybody. Thank you so much. Your name, your mommy, your auntie, your sister Paulina ever chicken come on. Ma Paulina the same.
Pache.
Pache media have been now the same.
The Paulina. Bafua.
Paulina.
Bafua.
Who's about open a mabo? Tia maybe sa.
Okay.
At least Ben open as some organize.
Oh, Munina Pubia some. Na tutu pa ye won am pe wasem pa.
Me na open myself.
Yeah.
Inte di ntem open myself.
Oh ya me fe. And I'll be bia so chere say we African girl.
Thank you. Obi o ha o bisa nyom e man shout out.
Enyom dey come out first. As na akwa ma other
and artist family in this way.
Family no.
That person Chiano.
Family dey me chia me ba face. Augustine and akwa me Alice and other mabusuafo nyina me chia obi o kuma say families bia e Paulina busuafo nyina techiman chia obi a
me so me da se pa anti Paulina me da se bebe. Say papa net say
Mama va so ko na so e
nyame adom ye kura
ba he ma ho fe ba ko pa
but so I see it's very musician politicians and why na open us am e wo Ghana has.
Oh you know can bia metimi ka bia nche sa e wa na ti we no nuanom ene ma do for e ba ye
na apart from me why na odo no.
Oh president another that
like musician, actress, actor.
Oh, that nobody me gini tum heavy. Sasa wale no ade ade na jom tum.
Aha.
Ne champon mo that's all.
So me that's all. So fa chetu we tomato that lo ma nyam kakra.
Oh, metu abo nyom.
Bo me nyom. Papa bo me nyom wate.
Me mo nyom. Me mo nyom. Me be pa bo nyom.
Aha, boy.
Kasi Odwe pepewa sempa o die mi de nenti mi pepewa sempa o odo na empa de pentino pepewa sempa o ohie ne empa de pentino ndadie mi pepewa semu bebe no donti
odo but when na person wo chia no
oh me se me chama da fu nyira me na fu be fe Frank UK.
Okay.
My back so no say feno Nana Yao. Nana Kwame. Nana Kwaju. Omnya UK. My back feno Frank Canadian ejimo amasa we fitani. Na me driver. Tiba driver, if I come entry. Bi show bi a che mabusiafo me ba odofo nyina wo sa.
Hi, how are you?
I'm good, and you?
I'm great. I'm Abina, and you?
I'm Pope.
Pope, which artist, musician, actress, actor, or politician do you like in Ghana?
Actor Jackie Appiah. Actress Jackie Appiah.
Actress Jackie Appiah.
And actor Kojon Kansan Lewin.
Oh, so what makes you like Jackie?
She's so gorgeous. I'm down with her. She has it all.
She has it all, Jackie.
Natural.
Okay.
Natural.
So what about Kojon Kansan Lewin?
Funny.
So can you give me a funny word that he said?
Asia.
Okay, so anybody want to say shout outs to?
A shout out goes to my first shout out is going to my friend whom I just picked from the airport.
Okay.
From Israel, Rani Yosef Shabtai.
Okay.
And then my one and only sweet girlfriend,
Uh-huh.
Gloria Appiah.
Oh.
Oda Nelson Training College.
Okay.
That's all. And my friends.
Okay, any friends?
Yes.
Anybody? Thank you so much for being on the show. Thank you. How are you?
Good, thank you. You?
I'm fine. What brings you to Ghana?
Oh, many things. First of all, my friends Pope.
Uh-huh.
And second, the beautiful beaches of Ghana.
Uh-huh. And what again?
And the people, super nice people. I think the most nice people in Africa.
Okay.
And the music.
And music, good. So what do you like about Ghana music?
It's not about me, it's all Africa. I just told my friend that I was traveling in Ethiopia and Kenya, and they translate Telemo into Amharinia.
Oh.
So it's like Ghana is a continental music. It's not only about Ghana. You are producing all over the country.
Okay, thank you so much. Anybody want to say shout outs to?
Oh, to my sweet girlfriend Fredel, that I left home. Be strong, I'm coming soon.
Okay.
Bye-bye.
Where? The country, because they're going to listen. It's
Israel.
going to be all over.
Israel.
Israel, thank you so much.
One and all country.
Okay, thank you so much. You're still listening and watching to Abina Ghana with you. We're still at Labadi Beach and we're having a lot of fun. Who is your celebrity? Who do you like more? Is it an actress, actor, musicians? Contact me on my Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Abina Ghana Official, and I will come to your area. Thank you. Okay, so who is your best celebrity, musician, or politician artist in Ghana?
In Ghana?
Yes. Who do you like in Ghana? Musician? Actor?
I don't know. I like all of them.
Seriously? Okay, mention one name.
I'm not really popular Ghanaian actors and musicians.
Okay.
But I don't really know their names.
You don't really
I
know
just
their
their
names.
music.
Okay, can you sing one of the music and I'll tell you the name? And you? Patient? What's your name?
Esther.
Esther. Which artist, musician, politician, actress you like in Ghana?
Efia.
Efia. What do you like about Efia?
Her voice is nice and it's unique.
She's unique. Okay, so can you give me one song of Efia?
Best in Me.
Can you sing it? Lil, okay, let's go.
You bring out the best in me. You bring out the best in me. From the single touch of your hands, boy. You bring out the best in me. I didn't know you're my man, boy. You bring out the best in me.
Like, seriously? You did that, Efia! Do you sing in church?
Yes.
Do you know you have to train to become a musician or something? You know that you have the voice. You just
Not
like
really.
it, yeah.
Not really.
Oh, anybody want to say shout outs to?
My dad.
Who again? Anybody?
My aunt and my cousins.
Okay.
So I just want to tell them that I'm having a lot of fun. And tell them that they're missing a lot.
You're from Nigeria for a visit, so you go back.
Yes.
Okay, talk to your family over there. They will catch you on YouTube as well. So talk.
What do I say about
You just want to say hi to everybody in Nigeria. Which state?
Ogu. I'm from Ogu.
What?
I live in Lagos State, but I'm from Ogu.
Okay, so you want to say hi to everybody in Nigeria. Patience, say hi. And you?
Hi to everybody in Ghana.
Everybody in Ghana? Especially who?
My mom, my dad, everybody.
Everybody. Oh, nice having you on Abna Ghana with you. Thank you. Thank everybody for watching the program. We love you. Say bye-bye to everybody.
Bye.
Bye.
Crazy on the baby, touch your body, go harder. Baby, me there you go there forever. Touch your body, go harder. Baby, me there you go there forever. Touch your body, go harder. Baby, me there you go there forever. Say touch your body, go harder. Baby, me there you go there forever.
Yeah, she dey like me, I dey like him. She dey trust me, I dey trust him. She dey Chelsea, I dey from him. She dey go press B, way I be Muslim. She be MPP, I dey JM. People dey envy, you know the pain. She dey jump fidelity. You know swear some cars, she dey best in me. Oh yeah, gang gum. Never mind for I'm a S5 today. I'm with my S5 money no be problem. Never me a PRO, I want gas. We talk out to London, we fly out stardom. Never pan the bamboo, but I confirm what you was on go. Money be the problem. Never me a film lion, we got us one year man the deeper.
Baby, touch your body, go harder. Baby, me there you go there forever. Touch your body, go harder. Baby, me there you go there forever. Touch your body, go harder. Baby, me there you go there forever. Say touch your body, go harder. Baby, me there you go there forever.
That's a man of mine, that's it, yeah. I'm no Felicita, I can't go wide. Power, we back, she a boom, we let it be for life. I can't go, baby, touch your body, go harder. Me then you, go there forever. Let the way you know, make Jaida. Other let the way you know, make Mereda. Let me see you, go gaga. I come on, we man, we let the younger. Left, right, then Miasa, Upazonto, Anakaida. Anakaida, Nakiraki, with them with Sala. With them with Sala. It's a matter to you bleeding.
Baby, touch your body, go harder. Baby, me there you go there forever. Touch your body, go harder. Baby, me there you go there forever. Touch your body, go harder. Baby, me there you go there forever. Say touch your body, go harder. Baby, me there you go there forever. Touch your body, go harder. Baby, me there you go there forever. Touch your body, go harder. Baby, me there you go there forever. Touch your body, go harder. Baby, me there you go there forever. Say touch your body, go harder. Baby, me there you go there forever. Hey. 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 Baby, me there you go there forever. Hey.
Lil Crease on the beats.
That's la bula be the size concern I do she ko ina inda da mu je duka ni da shi ne aka nan ne ka sani ai ba yawa ra